What's going on, internet world? It's your favorite entrepreneur, Chad, Entrepreneur Thompson, coming live on Chad's Chat. I'm feeling good today, as you can see, world. You know, I'm out here in one of the cribs in Atlanta. You know, I got the big body behind me, the 750 Li. And the best thing I love about this car, guys, is I don't have to pay for it. See, out here in network marketing, guys, you know, we get to enjoy our life. And like I always do, I'm not going to be long, but I will be strong, guys. I'm out here enjoying the beautiful breeze out here in the city of Atlanta. And I know a lot of you guys out there have a 750. I already know you guys already have a BMW. But the best thing about mine is it's free, baby. So when I hit a pothole, I don't even have to stop and worry what it is. See, a lot of you guys, when y'all hit a pothole, y'all like, boom, boom, boom. What was that? I just keep going, baby. But today's subject on Chad's Chats, you know, I'm talking to strictly my entrepreneurs out there who's really trying to do something with their life, trying to make it happen for their family. Today's topic, my neighbors is running crazy out there. So if you hear some noise, just bear with me. Got about 2 minutes, right? So today's subject today, guys, I want to hit on is basically just be real. Keeping it real, guys. Now, a lot of my team and I, we're very successful on just some few principles. We keep it real with each other. See, a lot of you out there in internet land, y'all have never seen success before anyway. And what do I mean by success? See, a lot of people, they rate success at different levels. Some people figure like if you have a lot of money, you're successful. Some people say if you got the cars, the houses, you know, the girls or the boys, you know, whatever you do, you're successful. Well, whatever you rate success, make sure you have enough of it. But keep it real with yourself. Because a lot of us, we don't work hard enough. Point blank, period. Some of us, you know, our parents did well for themselves and they left us some money and they started us off ahead, so we feel like we don't have to work hard. And some of us is on the opposite side of the tracks who don't have their parents can't give us nothing, and we still don't work hard enough. So let's be honest with ourselves. If we've never seen success, what makes you think you can sleep and see success? What makes you think you can do that? Because, guys, you got to rate success with hours. You know, if you only got 24 hours in a day, what makes you think you can work for 8 of them, which most people do, and don't do nothing different and have success? Or what makes you think you can, see, if you work for 8 hours, let's do this. Let's do success by hours. If you work for 8 hours, how many do you have left? You got about 16 left. Some of us, we talk, you know, we gossip on the phone for a couple hours. And what I mean by gossip, because it's okay to talk on the phone. All I'm telling you is you're losing hours to be successful by talking on the phone. There's nothing wrong with talking on the phone. You're just losing hours of being successful. And a lot of us don't have a lot of hours. But the key is everybody has the same 24 hours in a day. So if you choose to make $24,000 a year and we choose to make $24,000 a month, then that's your fault. Because we choose to use our hours differently. So let's really be real with ourselves. We can't sleep. I hope you can see this band. It says sleep is for suckers, guys. You got to be willing to lose sleep to be successful, guys. Guys, I came from a basement. A basement. A couple years ago, we was in a basement. And now we got a couple houses, mother's retired, and we're financially free. All because of the fact that I decided to keep it real myself. And I said, self, I never seen success before. Yeah, I had a good job. Yeah, I was living check to check. That's success in today's world. As long as you have a good job, and even though you're check to check, you're still successful because you have a job. That's what they say. But let's be real. If you really want that success, guys, and I'm not going to repeat myself, but if you really want that success, you need to go get it. We got to be willing to lose sleep. We got to be willing to work extra harder than everybody else. Because you got to think, if you never seen it, it's going to take you even more harder to get it. So this is Chad, Entrepreneur Thompson. I just wanted to speak my mind to you, my emotion to you. I really don't get too upset, but I feel like that you need to know. You need to be real with yourself. But guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is Chaz Chats. You know, today's was just keep it real with success. You know, just keep it real. And we're going to keep moving, guys. We got a university. Make sure you register for it. And I'll see you right back in Chaz Chats. If you haven't seen any of the videos yet, YouTube Chaz Chats. Check them all out. I'm giving out free tips, free training, free motivation, free everything, guys. We can do this. 2013 is our year. If it's not yours, then somebody else is claiming it. But be different. I'll see y'all at the bank. All right, y'all.